Why blockchain is the future of app development. DApps explained. In a world where privacy is currency and data breaches are daily headlines, one thing is clear. Traditional app development is due for a serious upgrade. That upgrade, blockchain. Welcome to the future of secure, transparent, and decentralized app development. Let's break it down. Centralized versus decentralized solutions. First, here's the problem. Most apps today are centralized. That means all user data, transactions, and logic are stored and controlled by a single server or company. If that server goes down, or gets hacked, or decides to change the rules, everything breaks. That's where blockchain comes in. Instead of one central authority, blockchain apps, also known as DApps, run on a network of nodes. Each node holds a copy of the data. That makes them nearly impossible to take down, censor, or corrupt. So, what can you actually build with this? Well, a lot more than just crypto wallets. Developers are using blockchain to power DeFi apps that replace traditional banks, NFT marketplaces for digital ownership, supply chain tools with real-time tracking, gaming economies where users own their in-game assets, even identity and login systems with no passwords needed. All of these apps share one thing in common: user control. Users don't just interact, they own, verify, and even help run the platform. Decentralized apps for developers. Here's what makes blockchain a game changer for developers. Security. Data is cryptographically secured. No single point of failure. Transparency. Every action is recorded and publicly verifiable. Automation. Smart contracts can enforce rules and logic on their own. User empowerment. People control their data, identity, and assets. Resilience. Apps don't go offline because of one server crashing. Of course, it's not perfect. There are challenges, like transaction fees, slower speeds on some chains, and a steeper learning curve for developers. But with the right tools and experience, those barriers are getting easier to overcome. And it's not just Ethereum anymore. Chains like Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, Near, and others offer faster, cheaper alternatives for different types of dApps. Choosing the right blockchain depends on your app's goals: speed, cost, security, decentralization. How to build your own dApp. If you're thinking of building a decentralized app, having an experienced development team helps a lot. That's where Apptunix comes in. We've helped startups and enterprises design and deploy blockchain apps across finance, health, gaming, and logistics. From smart contracts to full product design, we build dApps that are secure, scalable, and actually usable. Blockchain isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a real shift in how apps are built and who controls them. Start now, or get left behind. Want to build a blockchain-powered app? Book a free consultation with our blockchain experts now. Link in description.